Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aya, and today I have a quick destash. There are only 2 lots. All the details, prices will be in the description box. So the first box will be a random box. It has these 3 wooden stamps, planner stickers, planner, this one 365 happy planner. Okay. KS Craft Kaiser Craft. I'm not sure if they are still in business or not. Here are papers by Not Too Shabby Shop. I think they are 1, 2, 3 collections or 3 paper pads. Then I have flakes. Color is copper, glitter, labels, ribbon. Then we have a bunch of embossing powders. Here are the colors. These are confetti by Tonic, and this is by Recollections. Another confetti. Corner, another embossing powder. Sorry, not embossing powder, embossing powder. We have here inks by Hero Arts. Another stamp. Another stamp. These are sets. Okay. Again, embossing powders. Powder by Brutus Monroe, and he was also embossing powder. This is by Altinu. This is watercolor by Pinkfish Studio. Glitter by Tonic. This one embossing powder. This is embossing powder by Tonic. Embossing powder. These are just sequins. And all of these embossing powders, gemstones, Altinu masking fluid. These are also sequins, gemstones. What do you call these? I don't know. These are by Pinkfish Studio. This one is a distress glaze. Another one, sequins maybe, by Pinkfish. Pretty Pink Posh. Embossing powder. More embossing powder. Another watercolor. Let me check them first if they are working. I never used them. They are brand new. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. More embossing powders, more color, watercolor, another one. Okay, this is might dried out, but still there's liquid inside. Just add water and you can, reactivate it. So even if it's a little bit dry inside. Embossing powder. This is another ink. These dies and stamps. I bought a lot from Facebook Marketplace, and I didn't know that has, some unbranded. The one that I know that's a copycat from another company, I just throw it away. But these are like general, dies. Oopsie. This one. This is a stamp set. Stamp. All these dies. So the off-branded or Amazon brand, I don't know. Another one, and this is a stamp and die. So this is box 1. It's called like mixed media one. Okay, let me move to second box. The second box is Sizzix dies and Tim Holtz, and snowflake die. I will not say the names, I just show you the images for now because I don't want the video to be super long. This is by Tim Holtz. Flower tag. Another flower. I was lucky, I found also another huge lot on eBay for some dies I want, but the lady, she didn't want, you know, to break the lot, and I understand, so I bought a lot to get the dies I want, and I end up, you know, with tons of dies that either I have or just not my style. So this is Tim Holtz, branch. Tim Holtz also. This is also the numbers. That's with the other one. Flower. Cage. Another cage, you see? Okay. This big die. This make what carton? Geometric holder tool 3D. Physics die. And alphabets. Tim Holtz. This is ornaments. And finally this one, the bird. Okay. Yeah, I think that's for lot 2. Okay, thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.